You know that song, Celebrate Good Times, Come On, Let's Celebrate? Because that was us in 2021. Remember that? Good times. Celebration. And this was us at the beginning of 2022. What changed? Well, we had to use these again. That's right, I know, had to figure out how phones work so that we could sell. And look at the rest of the mortgage industry. It was like the Wild West out there. Every loan officer, home buyer, builder, and agent doing their best to survive. I mean, for real though, sometimes it was scary out there. But what's Casey always saying? Something about fast to the...
Fight.
Yeah, that's right. We don't run from challenges. We celebrate bad times, come on. Because all that empty space means more. Let's get some of that. Let's get bigger. Let's get better and make impact. But this won't be easy. We need support, a dedicated team, a company founded on adversity, a company that equips us, a company... You know where I'm going with this. In 2022, our total loan volume was $22 billion. Was that easy to pull off? No. But we love and value people, all 66,000 we served last year. But how do we do all that when this was happening? Rates went up and up and up and up and up, and resulted in this. By the end of the second quarter, the industry was down 35%. Only 6 of the top 20 lenders in the U.S. dropped less than 20%. Movement was one of them. We did that by getting bigger, recruiting 745 loan officers who represent $16 billion in loan volume. Because of that, we got better. We brought on a bunch of incredible people. We now service 175,000 loans. That's $48 billion in serviced loans. Getting bigger and better. That helps us make impact. That's what we are all about. Thanks to all of us, people of Movement, realtors, builders, and homebuyers, Movement has donated $377 million to the Movement Foundation since its inception. That helped us impact our communities across the country and the world. We opened more schools, and that meant serving 1,160 scholars and providing 133 jobs. Charlotte, get ready. More schools are coming. Atlanta, Raleigh, and Charleston, y'all are next. And then we impacted each other. Movement teammates gave money to help each other in their time of need. Anybody else love this company? Okay, now you say it with me. Celebrate bad times. Come on. We did all of that this year. So what about 2023? Don't make me show you another news montage. Experts say it won't get easier anytime soon. But we won't back down. Good, bad, we will show up to get bigger, get better, and make impact. Helping people build wealth through homeownership, educating thousands, lifting up the marginalized, bringing hope. That is our joy.